Firefighting is a very risky job and requires special skills and special equipment. There is normally no breathable air in such environments, making the rescue without a breathing aid impossible. To make the situation bearable, a device known as self-contained breathing apparatus, or Firefighter SCBA, is normally used for as a breathing aid. This device is independent from external supplies, hence the risk of getting tangled is greatly reduced. To a firefighter, this device is a very important piece of equipment, just like the helmet and the rest of the suit. The modern ones come with a face mask, in addition to pressure tank and pressure regulator. A stainless air tank, in most cases very light in weight, allowing continuous airflow whereas for up to 45 minutes or more is used for modern equipment. Given the important role it plays in keeping the users safe, there are specific requirements that must be met by suppliers. In Europe, for instance, the suppliers must comply with the requirements of Personal Protective Equipment Directive 89/686/EEC. These are extensions of European Standard N. 137. 2006 standards, which detail the performance requirements, safety markings and the required information to be given to users. The situation is not quite different in the United States of America and Canada, where these devices must meet National Fire Protection Association guidelines and FPA Standard 1981. When fully compliant with firefighting requirements, it earns 1981 NFPA compliant label. In addition to this, the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health (NIOSH) have their own certification program designed for use in biological, chemical, radiological and nuclear environment. The Firefighter SCBA normally put emphasis on flame and heat resistance, which is more important than even the overall cost. The lightweight materials used to manufacture these devices are normally exotic, making the final cost very expensive. Personal Alert Safety System PAS, or Automatic Distress Signal Unit ADSU, is never missing components of the modern equipment. These are designed to switch on automatic after sensing no movement, after 15 to 30 seconds. When activated, they release distinctive alarm signal that helps to locate the user. They can also be activated manual. The success on the use and overall rescue mission depends on how well the user is familiar with this important device. In fact, continuous drill is always recommended, as the device can make a difference between life and death. For a successful drill, the near fatalities and other past failures that involve the equipment use forms the starting point during training. The drill must be comprehensive, covering areas such as SCBA check, examining the operational readiness of a particular equipment, the consumption drill, which determines for how long a particular bottle will last the user, the last breath drill concerning confidence in a panic mode, among others. Firefighter SCBA can be the difference between life and death to firefighters. This means that the users must be well trained on operating them. In the practical sense, no amount of training can be considered enough. This therefore calls for continuous drilling. The sourcing of the equipment must also be done from certified suppliers.